Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python quickly. We'll begin by setting a strong foundation. Focus on understanding Python's fundamental concepts, such as data types and control flow, right from the start. Dedicate at least 1 hour each day to coding exercises. This consistent practice is crucial for building muscle memory and solidifying your understanding of the language's core principles. To truly accelerate your learning, immediately apply what you've learned to practical projects. Start with simple scripts, like a calculator or a basic game. Aim to complete at least 3 distinct projects within your first few weeks. This hands-on approach helps you understand how different Python elements work together in real-world scenarios, reinforcing your knowledge far more effectively than just reading. Don't hesitate to leverage the vast array of learning resources available. Online tutorials, official Python documentation, and coding forums are invaluable. Engage with a community. Asking questions and discussing challenges can clarify difficult concepts. Consider spending about 30 minutes daily reviewing documentation or participating in discussions. This collaborative learning environment can significantly speed up your progress and problem-solving skills. Consistency is key to mastering Python. Dedicate at least 20 minutes each day to solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Once comfortable with the basics, delve into more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, web frameworks, or data science libraries. This continuous learning and application will ensure you not only learn Python quickly, but also develop a deep, lasting understanding of its capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.